of April 2023, I was beaten up. I was molested in my own chamber, humiliated, everything. Ladyship, after 1 year, after 12 to after 13 months, ladyship, all of a sudden, as because I represented first PIL in-person petitioner from state of West Bengal on behalf of Sandeshkhali victim women, the state government. I need the protection, ladyship. Otherwise, I will be unable to move before your ladyship in person. My life is the primary concern now. I'm not concerned. FIR, ladyship, if they want to, they have the power in their hand. They will file 10 more cases. They will make me arrested. Many cases, ladyship.
Now I have to learn manners. Manners. Now I have to learn manners. She is not giving me anything. They are harassing. Lordship.
Ask your friend. I am submitting. They are telling. মানে পাশ থেকে বলছে বাবা কমেন্টও চাই। ম্যাডাম কি বলবো বলুন? মানে আমি বাংলাও বলে ফেলছি প্রভোকেশন।
At least আমার সেই ক্যাপাসিটি আছে যে আমি এই বয়সে ভিকটিমদের রিপ্রেজেন্ট করছি, টাকার জন্য মাথাটা বিক্রি করিনি ধর্ষকদের কাছে, যেটা স্টেট করে।
Of April 2020.